All right, let me get down here and see if my transmission's still leaking. Oh my goodness, man. Golly. Wow. Maybe if I stay down here long enough, it may fix itself. Maybe if I pound this ground, it may fix itself. Yeah. Why, I can't never do nothing right, man. Come on, Tony B. What's happening, TNT gang? It seems like with this project, man, I take one step forward and 2 steps back. If y'all don't know, I just changed the pan on this transmission, Turbo 350. The guy I bought it from said it was rebuilt. Rebuilt, man. You ain't got to worry about the transmission. Nah, you ain't got to worry about it. I guess that means, you don't change out gaskets or whatever. But man, I'm sick of this thing leaking transmission fluid, man. Oh, it's giving me a headache. It's always something with this thing, man. I know that's what you get when you work on older cars and projects. I thought I was going to come out here and just do a little... You know what I'm saying? A little body work, man. A little body prep. Lord have mercy. But this is where y'all come in. I need y'all help. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you some couple spots where I think it's coming from. And I need y'all to go down there in the comment section and, just give me your ideas. You know what I'm saying?
Nope.
I know. This channel, man, we keep it crunk, man. We keep it going. We keep the energy level up. But man, just get on my nerves, man. I just knew I had knocked that leak out. I had knocked it out, bro. But let me get some light under there and show you exactly why I think it's leaking from. Let's go. All right, guys. Hopefully you guys can see good enough. But right there, yeah, this joker look nasty. For this thing to not even have 1,000 miles on it.
You stupid.
I mean, whatever. But here goes the TV cable. Hopefully you guys can see. Pretty much, I guess I'm gonna have to get some brake cleaner and knock that off, so we can really see what's going on. But I know I got a couple guys that are subscribed that got C10s or, just Chevys in general. Do these usually leak? I heard some people say they can leak because it looked like it's, just coming on this side. Yeah, you can see it pretty bad. It's just on this side. I really don't see any leakage back there. All my bolts are torqued down to 8 to 10 pounds, which is pretty much just hand tight. And up here, what about what is this, the dipstick? It don't even look like it's leaking. That looks like a new gasket pretty much to me. So I think the culprit has to be either that or I need to use a cork gasket and maybe just a little bit of RTV, but I don't like using RTV on transmission because I heard they can, break off in the end, the transmission and just eat up the transmission. So go down in the comment section, man. Let me know, have y'all ever had any leaks, that are, just crazy like this, just come out of nowhere, man. Because I know the gasket is on there right. I don't know. It looks like it may be pressed out a little bit, like I might have tightened it a little too much right there. But man, I just can't stand this mess, bro. Let me take you to the other side and see if there's a leak on the other side too. All right, guys, this is culprit number 2. I heard that the shift linkage can leak too. It's a gasket behind there where it can leak. But on this side, you know, as you can see, it really doesn't look like it's too wet. You know what I'm saying? It look like it's just coming from that one side. So it could just be the TV cable, or as you can see, this really doesn't look like it's poked out. Well, I don't know, man. I torqued it just a little bit. I ain't torqued it too tight, man. So I don't know. These bolts, do they need any kind of RTV on it or not? Or some kind of sealer on it or something? I don't know, bro. But I know it's something behind there. And yeah, we're just going to have to get this thing fixed. See, we don't have a leak here. Thank God. Last time we had a leak there on my old one. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord. All right, guys, man, that's it for this video, man. I know. We didn't get nothing done. I just wanted to make this video just to ask you guys what y'all think about that transmission leak. Like I said, I just changed the pan, the gasket. I know I like to use cork gaskets, you know, with a little spray adhesive, you know, just to make sure it adheres right. But, you know, that might not be the right way either. That might not even, you know, fix your problem. It could be the TV cable leaking, or it could be I have it tightened too tight. I might need to back it off a little bit, or, you know, I don't know. That's why I'm making this video, so you guys can give me the comments down below, man. Hey, bro, we grew, we doubled yesterday in subscribers. So, man, I appreciate y'all guys for subscribing, y'all new subscribers. Go down in the comment section. Let me know that y'all new and y'all rocking with your boy. Put down that TNT gang down there. I'm missing my boy Taj, man, the Robots Ninja. That's what he called himself, man. He's in there sleep. I just wanted to go ahead and make this little quick video, you know, just to get y'all opinion on what I should do, man. It's been giving me a headache, bro. Y'all help your boy out. Help me out, please. And I promise you next video will be a lot more entertaining, a lot more stuff getting done. So if you like this video, just give me a like, you know, just so we can get this channel circulated, y'all, so we can do more lit stuff. So, hey, that's all I got to say, man. All right, y'all. Peace.
Yeah.